This is our first cruise together.
Yes, we are finally on vacation.
The family is in the car. Leo looks out the window and asks,
Dad, are we close?
Yes, Leo, we are almost there.
Lily claps her hands and says,
I want to see the big ship.
Emma says softly,
You will see it soon.
we are almost there means we will arrive very soon. They arrive at the port. The ship is huge. The family stops for a moment, staring in awe at the giant ship.
Wow, the ship is so big. It looks like a floating city.
Floating means staying on water.
This ship will be our home for 7 days.
Yeah.
Emma takes photos and says,
This is a special moment.
They stand in line to check in. A staff member smiles and says,
Welcome aboard. May I see your tickets?
David gives the tickets.
Yes, here you go.
The staff member says,
Your room is on deck 5.
Mom, what is a deck?
A deck is like a floor in a building.
The bed is so soft. We have a window.
David opens the curtain.
The sea looks peaceful.
Peaceful means quiet and calm. They enjoy looking at the sea. It is time for lunch. They go to the dining area. Leo reads the menu and says,
There are so many foods. Can I have ice cream?
After lunch.
I feel very hungry.
Suddenly, they hear a sound. The ship horn blows.
The cruise is starting. It looks so beautiful.
Everyone goes outside. They watch the ship move slowly.
We are leaving the port.
Our adventure begins now.
Adventure means an exciting experience. The family stands together. The ocean is blue and wide. It looks calm and endless, stretching far into the distance.
The water never ends.
Where are we going first?
We will visit a beautiful island tomorrow.
This trip will give us happy memories.
Memories are things we remember later. Night comes. The family returns to their cabin.
Good night, Ocean.
Today was a good day.
Tomorrow will be even better. Let us sleep now.
In the morning, soft light comes into the cabin. The ship is quiet and calm.
I slept very well.
Are we there?
Yes, we are close to the island.
The family goes outside the cabin. They walk onto the deck. The sun is rising. The sky is pink and orange.
Look, I see land. The island is beautiful.
Today will be a fun day.
After breakfast, the family happily prepares to leave the cruise. They take their bags and they walk slowly and follow the signs.
Are we going on that boat?
Yes, it will take us to the island.
The children feel excited and a little nervous. The family sits on the small boat, feeling the cool sea breeze as they travel toward the island. The boat stops at the shore. The family steps onto the island, smiling as they feel the warm sand under their feet. Lily laughs and says, "My feet feel funny." Leo runs a little and says, "The air smells fresh." Emma looks around and says, "This place feels peaceful." Peaceful means quiet and relaxing. The family walks together. They see palm trees, blue water, and small shops. David says, "Let's take a family photo." They stand close and smile. Emma says, "This morning is perfect." I will remember this day. The family feels happy and thankful. Keep practicing English listening, spoken English, and daily English conversation. Learn English slowly, naturally, and confidently.